Tess from the Clermont Veterinary Surgery, and I'm here today to talk a whole load of bull, in particular bull testing. Now over here we have a very nice beefy specimen full of testosterone and brimming with libido. Oh, I meant the bull, not Dr. Brendan. Now why do we test bulls? You need to know that your bulls can get the job done. You need to know that they are up for the task, if you know what I mean. So how do we test? Well, first we check them over physically. We need to know that their conformation will hold up, because it's a big load, hammering load after load. So we check them all over. We check their head, we check their feet, we check their legs, we check their pizzle in here. Oh, sorry, pizzle is the polite term us vets use, so we don't talk about dicks all day and sound like dicks. But in regards to old mate, in the words of Snoop Dogg, is this a good pizzle? Faux shizzle. And then we move to the back. Now, because us vets love extreme sports, we don't grab the bull by the horns. We like to grab the bull by the balls. You're nuts if you're not checking the nuts. And that age-old question, yes, size really does matter. The bigger the better. Fertility is directly related to the size of the scrotum and including the fertility of the offspring too. So that's the outside of the bull. Now what about the inside of the bull? Well, you'll never ever know if you never ever make them blow. So we like to check the whistle here. We give them a little tickle and then we make them ejaculate. And then we check the semen sample. Well, hello sailor. So now we've got to check the sperm. We check it under the microscope and we've got amazing technology with the iSperm. So what are we checking for? Number one, we like to check motility. You got to check the little fellas are actually swimming. And then the other thing we check is morphology. So why morphology? It checks the sperm on a microscopic level. We're looking for defects and we send the sample away. So why the defects? Well, what can I say? Kinky can be good in the bedroom, but kinky is certainly not good if you're a sperm tail. So when do you test your bulls? Well, we recommend testing bulls every year because you can have a bull out in the paddock, he gets a fever, he gets crook, next minute he's cooked his nuts, he's shooting blanks, you've got no calves, and your business has suffered a huge loss. Because let's face it, if your bull can't have fun in the sun and get the job done, he's better off in a hamburger bun. And what about us at Clermont Vet Surgery? Well, it is unbelievable the combined experience we have. 7 vets with over 110 years in all things bovine. We're passionate about the beef industry and we love it. We have 3 vets accredited for the Australian Cattle Vets Bull Check Scheme. This is the gold standard in bull certification and we highly recommend any bulls you buy are done with this certification. But we also have this. Well, this old stud, he's a legend of the industry, widely respected and regarded as one of the best in his field. In fact, he's even been voted Australian Cattle Vet of the Year by all his veterinary colleagues. So what now? Well, don't be a wanker. Let us be your wankers. We love what we do. A little load off your bull is a huge load off your mind. So give us a ring. Aw, thanks everyone. You guys were incredible. Get it?